A single spoonful of honey-fermented garlic contains more natural antimicrobial compounds than most over-the-counter cold remedies on the shelf. Stay until step 4, because that's the moment most people ruin the entire batch without ever realizing it. Every winter, millions of adults reach for pharmacy shelves, hoping to dodge the season's relentless cycle of colds and flu. But many of those remedies only mask symptoms, while doing little to support the immune system in any meaningful way. Long before modern medicine, healers across Egypt, Greece, and Asia combined two simple kitchen staples into one extraordinary tonic: raw garlic and raw honey. Apart, they are powerful. Together, fermented slowly, they become something remarkable. Research shows garlic releases allicin, a sulfur compound studied for its antiviral and antibacterial properties, when crushed or sliced. Raw honey contains hydrogen peroxide, enzymes, and prebiotics. Fermentation marries these compounds into a syrup with deep immune support potential. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of raw, unpasteurized honey and roughly 10 to 15 fresh garlic cloves. Quality matters here. Local raw honey keeps its enzymes intact, and fresh, firm garlic cloves give you the strongest active compounds. Avoid supermarket honey labeled simply as pure or filtered. Heat treatment destroys the enzymes you need for proper fermentation. Step 2. Prepare the garlic. Peel each clove carefully, then lightly crush or score it with the flat side of your knife. This small step matters. Bruising the clove activates the enzyme alliinase, which produces allicin, the compound studied for immune support. Let the crushed cloves rest on the cutting board for about 10 minutes before moving forward. This rest amplifies their potency. Step 3. Choose a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. A standard half-pint or pint mason jar works beautifully. Sterilize the jar with boiling water and let it dry completely. Any moisture left behind can invite the wrong kind of bacteria. Fill the jar about 2/3 full with garlic cloves, leaving room for the honey to flow around them. Then slowly pour the raw honey over the garlic, making sure every clove is completely submerged beneath the surface. Now here is where most people go wrong. Skip the next step, and your beautiful batch can spoil within days. Step 4. Seal the jar loosely. Garlic releases moisture, which lowers the honey's natural preservation properties and triggers fermentation. If sealed too tightly, gas builds up inside the jar. A loose lid lets carbon dioxide escape while keeping contaminants safely out. Every day for the first week, gently flip the jar upside down to recoat the cloves and prevent any from drying out. Step 5. Store and wait. Place the jar in a cool, dark cupboard away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Over the next several weeks, the honey will thin and darken. Tiny bubbles will form. This is fermentation, working its quiet magic. After 1 month, the garlic mellows beautifully and becomes soft, sweet, and almost caramel-like in flavor. After 3 months, it is exceptional. Step 6. How to use it. At the first sign of a sniffle, take 1 teaspoon of the infused honey daily. For deeper support, chew 1 softened garlic clove from the jar each morning, followed by a sip of warm water. Studies suggest this combination may help shorten the duration of common colds and ease scratchy throats during winter months. You can also stir a spoonful into warm, not hot, herbal tea. High heat destroys the enzymes you worked so patiently to preserve. Stored properly, your fermented garlic honey can last well over a year, growing more complex and flavorful with every passing month. A simple jar, 2 ancient ingredients, a small, quiet ritual that may carry you gently through the harshest cold season. If this remedy resonated with you, take a moment to subscribe to Natural Hacks. We share time-tested wisdom every week. Leave a comment below and tell us if you've tried fermenting honey before, and which natural remedy you'd like us to cover next. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only, and is not intended as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Honey should never be given to children under 1 year of age. Always consult your doctor before starting any new natural remedy. Thank you for spending these quiet minutes with Natural Hacks. Wishing you a warm, healthy, and gently nourished season ahead.